Hey YouTube, it is Saturday, 21st day of August 2021. It's 11:21 in the morning, and for the first time in my life, I am in Wisconsin. We are in a little town called Dickeyville, Wisconsin, because we're staying in Dubuque, Iowa for 4 days, and this is one of the things to come and see. Got nice flowers here. And we're at this grotto here. So you can see that they got this thing that's got a lot of jewels and stuff on it. Let's see. I guess you can walk into this part. They got it glassed off with the floor. Okay, so all kinds of seashells and rocks and shiny things.
He had to break all the plates to do that.
All the way up there.
Pretty wild.
Orange plates right here.
Crazy.
You did really good.
Looks like carnations.
It's all this stuff.
Alright guys.
And
I'm
he did it,
running out of
Colin.
time.
So there you go. That's for that part. And then here, we'll look at this part here. So you can see all this. American flag up there. So there's that. Alright, so let's walk through here and see what we can see. Well, on this side you're greeted with pretty flowers. Wisdom, it says in that little window thing there. You get this shiny ball that's got a reflection of a guy holding a GoPro. Little column. Okay. See, that one says understanding. More pretty flowers there. Got a big hole up there. Back on this right side. Ooh, I like these rocks here. Those are pretty. Look at that. That neat colors. Okay, that says council for that one. St. Peter, maybe. Let's see. That's a St. James. Matthew. But they didn't know what any of these guys look like, so, you know. There's that little fact. Alright, then you got this little scene here. Officers of the Brothers of Jesus, and, you know. Didn't happen this way, but you know, why let truth get in the way? Let's see, that says fortitude up there at the very top. Nice flowers here. Up there at the top, up there it says joy, charity, goodness, benignity or benignity, continency, and modesty. Knowledge in that one right there. Okay, then back here behind me again, got all this. Then again, you got a great big hole back there. This one says deity. And then here, just to finish off on this side, get that. And then this last one says fear of the Lord. That's what it says. And then it looks like this. So here's a walk out and back out. Like I said, I do like these types of rocks. The colors of these are certainly very nice. And here, I'll get you this whole thing here, if I can. There we go. That's the whole shebang. So let's go see if there's anything else down through here. All right, so this right here, we'll walk through this, and it's just to show you, it's right behind what I just showed you. So we'll go through here and look. See a bunch of pretty flowers in there. More statues, a sheep. Some sort of a goose or something back there. You can see all this again is made of rock. Just various rocks, I assume glued on here. So it would take a lot of glue. These are all shaped like hearts here all the way around. More pretty flowers. Looks like an oak tree in the center. Some more of this over here, and these are just bushes. Little kid there. A little kid up there wearing his father's service hat, looks like. And again, more of this back in the middle. And then got some nice orange and yellow flowers over there, shape of a cross. I can see it's what that is. More little kids and ducks and things here. And then just finish off this center part. You can see with the hearts again. We come out this way to come over here. So check it out. They got a birdhouse up there, and there's real life birds are up there. One's even living there. He goes. He just flew away. But that's got rocks, and I'm sure it's bright that way, so it's probably silhouetting it. But let me get around this way, see if it looks any better. Here, I'll lift this up and we'll get a better view of it. All right, hopefully you're looking at it more eye to eye here. A little bit closer. But actual birds live in that thing. All right, then if you look straight across, there's an eagle over there. We'll see if we can get this thing or not, I don't know, but probably can. Let me bring this down. All right, so we'll just walk around. You can see. You know what that's supposed to be. They got some deer here. Bunch of rocks, a statue up there. All these trees here. Yeah, I can see the sidewalk goes on around through there, so we'll go on around and we'll see what we can see. Here you go. Check out the color stone on this. Or maybe it's even glass, I don't know. And then purple down there, so I don't know if this is real or if it's dyed or what the deal is. Not sure who that is up there. I'm looking, but I don't see a name. So I'm not sure who that's supposed to be. It says 1865 Unity. So I guess that's maybe the end of the Civil War, that talking about the country coming back together, which took 12 plus years. And even then, little spats all over the place. But anyway, that's Civil War history. All right, so kind of go out wide here. Show you this stuff. This is Christopher Column, I guess. The ends may be missing, or Columbus. Oh, Christopher Columbus. I see, it goes on down. The B and the S are kind of missing. Discoverer of America, 1492. So that supposedly is Christopher Columbus up there. Wow, look at this gigantic rock here. Look at how that looks. And this one definitely looks like something come out of a cave, I would say. That's a 1776 Burt. Oh, it's Liberty. Okay. Yeah, there's the Y over there. Here, let me show you. Hopefully you can see all this. Liberty. 1776 Liberty. So that represents the Liberty Bell. Alright, and then up here, Thomas Jefferson, probably, is what I'm going to guess. They don't have his name here. But I think it's Thomas Jefferson on this column. And yeah, as I look, I don't see they put his name anywhere. But I got to guess that that is Thomas Jefferson. Got to guess that. Makes sense to me. All right, here in the center of this thing, they got, again, all these rocks. And this is that big eagle that I saw from back on the other side over there. Right there. All right, and then this is supposed to be Stations of the Cross, I know. See, this says Jesus takes up his cross. This says Jesus falls for the first time. Which, like, I ever read in the Bible where he got help one time. Jesus meets his blessed mother. Well, he didn't call her blessed. So, you know, again, let's not worry about truth. Let's make up fables. Jesus helped by Simon. Well, it was a different one. Wasn't Peter the Apostle. Jesus and Veronica. So this never happened. That's completely made up. Jesus falls for the second time. This didn't happen. This is totally made up. These are Catholic lies. Jesus speaks to the women. But they won't tell you what they said because he told them to cry for themselves and for their kids. Jesus falls for the third time. So again, this never happened. They just, you know, they like to make this stuff up as it pleases them. Jesus is stripped of his garments. Well, he only had one, actually. Jesus is nailed to the cross. That obviously happened. Now just, before we continue on, you should hear in loving memory of God's unborn children. Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I consecrated you. Jeremiah 1:5. All right, so here's another thing. I guess I need to go around here and take a look at this. Got a blue cross laid out in there. Okay. It says, "Come, let us adore." It just says IHS down there. It says holy there and it says holy there. Got that blue rock up there in the ceiling. Back up and get the whole thing here. There you go. All right, so we'll go back to where we left off here. Jesus dies on the cross. That absolutely happened. All right, so I needed to add this actually because this is in the front here. I didn't see this before. So they've got that. And then you see that some of that's busted off back there. See a cable. But that there. All right, didn't want to miss it. Want to make sure I showed you everything. So that's it now. All right, so let's keep going. Okay, so a couple more things that I missed. You see this says Dickeyville Grotto number 112, and it's got heritage here. So what I really missed is number one is those two columns right here. These are shorter columns. Okay, and then this right here. These two columns here. And it says Holy Ghost Park at the top. So as I come out here and I get myself run over. See that? So that's what I missed. All right, so now this is a complete video. All right, so now you can like this one, thumb it up, and all that good stuff. See you in the next one.